Hello everyone, my name is Anish Rana and you are watching Kubernetes web series. Today my topic is HA Master. Before begin with this chapter, let's talk about etcd. It is directly linked with this. Etcd is based on Raft algorithm, okay? And Raft work by electing a leader amongst a set of nodes and forcing all write requests go to the leader. Let's take an example that we have three etcd servers, or you can say that we have three static pods running on different master nodes. Okay, maybe it is this one or this one. There should be only one master. Changes are then replicated from the leader to other nodes. If the leader goes down or offline, a new election will be held and a new leader will be chosen. It means that this etcd will read from this leader and this etcd read from this leader only. And all the write requests will be done by etcd 3 only. Okay, in my case, not in every case. An etcd cluster always has a single leader node at any given time, elected using the Raft algorithm. Okay, so there will be only one leader at a time. How many numbers of etcd database we should have, right? The total number of etcd node here and field node is here. If we have one etcd, it will be zero tolerance. If we have two etcd node, then again it will be zero tolerance. If we have three, then it will be one tolerance. It means that if we have three pods running, one pod goes down or one master server goes down, then we catch the data or get the data from other two etcd database. And if we have four, then again one. If we have five etcd pods running, then it will be two tolerance. It means that two etcd pod can down. Still we can retrieve all the data. Okay, and six means two. But it means that therefore a good rule of thumb is that it only makes sense to have odd number of instance running. Instance of etcd, obviously, right? So let's move forward. I hope it is clear now. Now, in general scenario, what we have, one master node and three worker nodes are running, right? If this master server goes down, then my all cluster will be down. For that reason, we will create multiple master servers. As I said, that we should have odd number, either 1, 3, 5 or 7. Then only it will be benefit for us, right? In this scenario, we will going to create three master servers, and beneath that there will be three worker nodes or four or five, whatever, depending upon the cluster requirement, right? Now we have three master nodes. Obviously, there will be a three API servers. So how we can send the traffic to one API server? For that reason, we will going to create one load balancer, and load balancer can be any type, right? Then it will forward the request to master node one, probably if this is the leader. And if this goes down, then it will forward the request to master node 2. And if master 2 down, then it can forward to master node 3. In this scenario, we will forward all the requests to load balancer. Whatever we are executing the command, kubectl get node, pod, whatever, all will forward to load balancer, and load balancer will forward the request to master or leader, not master, but leader master servers. Okay, I hope it is clear now. And in my lab, I've created two master node and two worker node and one load balancer. Due to the resource issue, I created only this one. Yeah. First one is good one, and the second one we will create with the help of script. And the same treatment we can do it for master node 3. But in my lab, I'm not going to create master node 3. Okay. And same thing for worker node 1 and 2. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. I will try. And please, guys, on the description of this video and also the comment section. If I did any mistake, I update in the comment section only. Okay. So let's come to our lab section. Now I have logged in into my GitHub page here. And my GitHub page name is Anish Rana 2001. inside my Kubernetes repository. If I scroll down, one can observe 27th number is HA master. Let me click here. And after that, to create HA proxy and master node, right? First, we need to create the load balancer. For that reason, I'm just going to click here. As of now, I don't have DNS interest. For that reason, I'm going to use my etc host file. Let me copy here, paste it over here. Let me check what is available here. It is host. It is already there. That's great. If I check on my master node, so this server is my IPA. This is 34. This will be my load balancer. First master node IP address would be master node 2 IP is T. Okay. This is my master 1, master 2, and this is my load balancer server 1. Okay. Check here etc host file. Let me copy here and update this file. If I check this file again, now I see all my nodes here. Master 2 IP is 30, master 1 IP address is 31, worker node 1 is 32, worker node 2 will be 33, and this is my load balancer server. It is this one, 34 IP address. Okay. Same thing I need to do here. Read this step over here. Please bear in mind that we need to perform this step on worker node 1 and worker node 2 here and disable the firewalls. As of now, we are working on lab. So here I'm going to disable the firewall. Further, after that, I need to install the HAProxy. Let me copy this command here and paste it over here. After that, I need to modify the HAProxy configuration file, right? Beforehand, let me take the backup of this file, this one, and again .org. Okay, and let me modify, copy here, and what it says that check for default option, and after that I need to add these lines here. Let me explain what is this. My frontend proxy name will be Kubernetes frontend, and it will be bind for 00 IP address and port number is 6443. Option is TCP log, mode is TCP. It is checking for TCP connection, right? And backend, default backend is Kubernetes backend. Now this Kubernetes backend, here we have mentioned backend is my here, the same name. Mode is TCP. Balance is round robin. And after that, it will check the option for TCP check. If your VM is not reachable, then it will mark as down. And server, this is my master one, and this is the IP address of master one. Master 2 IP address is this one. This colon 6443. This is the port number. And check. These are the line that I need to add here. Let me copy these lines. This is my global option. And after that, there is a default option here. And now here I can add my lines. After that, I don't need this one. Otherwise, it will be giving me error message. So let me remove this one. Backend, the option that you can use for your reference. But for now, let's move. After it, I need to add this set se bool minus p ha proxy any equal to 1. Otherwise, it will give me error message. It's time to enable and start the ha proxy. Let me copy here and paste it over here. Over here, we have enabled and start. It is also check the, and here it is also check the ha proxy. It says active. If you observe some issue, maybe you can execute this command here. Systemctl status ha proxy minus l no feature. It will give you a nice log. Okay? And if you are not using these options, to have pressing the arrow button right of your keyboard. Here it is says that backend Kubernetes backend has no server available. The reason behind is that we have not configured any Kubernetes cluster so far. It is okay for me to accept this error as of now. And here one can Notice that the -L flag will ensure that systemctl output the entire content of line instead of substituting in ellipsis for long lines. And the hyphen no pager flag will output the entire log to your screen without invoking a tool like less or more. It will print all the lines. Okay. Now we have successfully completed, or you can say that we have successfully installed the HA proxy. Now it's time to configure our master node